Hello there, this is Agnes from Agnescraft. Today let us see how to add hair for Quilled dolls. To make a face for the dolls without a hole in the center, you can find a tutorial in the link above and also in the description below. I have used 3 peach color 3mm streaks to make one half of the face. I make a tight coil and then I manipulate it with hand to form a slight dome shape. Just pull from the inside so that make a slight dome shape. Now I apply glue so that it holds the shape. And then allow it to dry completely. I had to make 2 similar pieces, and once dry, we can glue 2 similar shapes to make the head. You can leave it as such, or if you wish to give another reinforcement, then you can take a peach color small strip and then glue them around the center. And it will be like this. Now it's time for the hair. Now I had to choose the best side. This side is good, so this will be the face and this will be the back of the face. First, let us make a boy's hair. Let us choose a hair color and then cut them into small strips. It should be long enough so that it reaches the back of the head. Let us apply some glue. Place from the top of the head to the back. Press them for a while so that they get stuck. While doing dolls, I use a lot of wet wipes. I just have a wet wipe so that whenever I get some glue in my hand, I just take it off. Otherwise, it will get stuck into our doll's face, and then it will make our work ugly. Now take the next strip and stick on the side. Make sure that it doesn't leave any space between each hair. Otherwise, the peach color will be shown and it won't be looking neat. Now for the next one, should go on the other side so that we go from each side, one on the right side and one on the left side. Just keep going on alternative sides and then keep overlapping the hair one by one. When you are on the corner of the dome shape, press them tightly so that they resemble the head shape. Once you have covered the back and the sides, now it is time for the front part of the hair. I take a small piece of the chocolate brown color strip and then cut into an elongated semicircle like shape. And have so many of them like this. Now we can arrange them as we wish. But for the first we have to do the lowermost hair and then layer the other hairs one above the other. The next layer is stuck just above. Once the third hair is stuck, you can leave it as such, or if you wish, you can add one more side hair. Just like this. And then you are done. So now we have finished the hair of the boy. And now let us go for a girl's hair. For the girl's hair, I had to take somewhat longer strips of paper and then I use slaughter tool to make small curls. And this paper which I use is thicker, I think maybe around 120 GSM, so it is thicker and it holds the shape so easily. So now I take many such pieces, and in a similar way of the boy's hair, we have to start from the top and then go down, and we should start from the center of the hair. Apply some glue and then start from the center. Hold it for a while so that the glue gets stuck well. For the next one, I should go sideways, so similar to the boy's hair. Should go this and then this side and then the next one, and also make sure that there is no space left behind, otherwise it won't look neat. If you're lazy enough, and also if you want to save the peach color which is used for the back of the hair, you can use peach for the face and the same hair color for the back, so that if you leave any space between, it won't be seen much and it will look so neat. And also you can save the peach color strips for face. After finishing the back part of the hair, we can go to the front. We can do the side part finally. So similar to the boy's hair, we need small semicircle like shapes and then glue them like this, in the same way as we have done for the boy's hair. The same way I have done the front hair, and then we can also include the side hair. For the side hair, I take a long strip so that it covers both sides of the hair, and then make scroll, the curls on both the sides of the paper strip, and then glue them from the top to the sides, just like this. Now the girl's head is ready. Hope you find this tutorial useful. We can learn how to make the body of a doll tomorrow. Thanks for watching.